Hi everyone, it's me Yuk editing this video, and I recorded with my phone. I record this video with my, I guess it's a Flip 4, and I think I accidentally enabled the 4K mode, so it makes the footage of this unboxing video weirdly large, like 20 gigabytes or something, so I can't export this to my computer to edit this. So yeah, I may cut a big part of this video and I'll just put some review on it. So yeah, keep watching, enjoy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I finally got the computer I want since I was small, a Macbook. So yeah, it's a M2 13-inch MacBook Air with M2 chip, 256 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte of memory. And yeah, let's open this dingus up. Yeah, how do I open this? Nice. Nice. This feels so nice. This is the base model of this. Oh, I dropped the camera. Sorry for that. Bruh. Okay, so yeah. Here's the MacBook. Let's open this up. Nice. So here's the PC. Let's see what's inside first. Here's the computer. Okay, so here's the charger, same color as the PC. I think it's a MagSafe. Yeah, it's a new MagSafe, and it's to USB-C charger. And what's inside this? So it's the brick. I think I have this when I bought an iPad a few years ago. I don't think I need that. And let's see what's inside this. Do I have super big Apple stickers? Oh, here's that. Yeah, black Apple stickers. Okay, just stay here. What's inside of this? Actually, I've never used a MacBook, and yeah, let's see. Touch ID, Force Touch trackpad, menu bar, HD camera, control center, Finder, dock system, preferences. Why does this look like? Oh, I thought it's OBS, and because in the camera I look like just look like OBS. So headphone jack, MagSafe, Thunderbolt, USB 4. That's pretty fast. MacBook Air, so it's a Chinese version. Blah blah blah. Okay, let's just put this back. No, don't fall again. I hate this stand. I'll buy a better one when I have money. Okay, so let's put this thing back. Okay. So let's open this MacBook up. Nice. Here it is. MacBook Air M2. Let's just put this here first. I don't want to break that. Let's see. MacBook Air. Nice, lame. MagSafe, 2 USB-C port, and headphone jack. That's it. So yeah, let's open this. Nice. It's Apple. The startup sound. Oh my gosh. It's the first time. First boot up. Nice. That's me and you. I just shower. Look messy. Oh, Mac OS. The notch. Get sorry. Let's go. I still can't show. Oh. That's the desktop. And I have no idea how to use it, so let's explore a little bit. How do I okay, so I can delete shit I don't need. Delete, goodbye. Pages, I don't need you. Delete. GarageBand, iMovie, I don't need iMovie. Or I just switch to Premiere Rush. I think I just searched Premiere Rush. Numbers, I don't need numbers. I can count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. Yeah. Okay, so I can't delete any other thing. Okay, and I actually don't know how to use Windows. Can I just switch back to Windows? Oh, that's so sad. Okay, let's how do I use this? No idea. So I think I should download something first. What can we get here? Welcome to Apple Store. No idea actually. Let's just download Premiere Rush. I need Premiere Rush. Premiere Rush. Enter. No Premiere Rush. Or did I spell it wrong? Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Here am I? I don't think I spelled it wrong. No mess. I hate it. First Mac experience bad. I found Premiere Rush. So yeah, I'll just set it up by myself later, I guess. And yeah, let's try opening it up like this. Oh, so how do I turn this off? Exit. Shut down or start. Sleep. Let's just bring it to sleep. No, if I like this. Okay. I have no idea, bro. So I'm just set up by myself. This much it. Yeah, I really like this. Nice Macbook, Apple thingy. Yeah, I don't know what, so it's after like 2 days. And I'm editing this video, and yeah, one thing I really like about this Macbook is it doesn't have a fan, so it won't produce any noise. Like let's compare it with my old Lenovo Idea 10 gaming free. I don't know, something like this, and that's the big large notification I just mentioned before. And yeah, let's start Adobe Premiere Rush, which I edit on here. I export these 2 files to here, so yeah, let's see. These are my old videos. You can hear like this too. Okay, let's just create a new file. Look, I'm ready. Can you hear it? You can hear fan noise. It's pretty loud. Okay. Let me just try. How do I make it to like make it really loud? I'm not a really good reviewer. Okay. I'm really bad at reviewing. Okay, so just rotate this first.